algebraic expressions and equations. For review, we are going to simplify algebraic expressions through multiplication and division. For example, a times a. Remember, when multiplying variables a raised to n by a raised to n power, when n is not equal to 0, just simply add their exponents. In this example, a raised to the power of 1, so it means that a raised to the power of 1 plus 1 is equal to a squared, or a to the second power. Next example is a squared times a cubed. Since they are like terms, just simply add their exponents. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so it means a to the 5th power. It's very easy, right? So next is a squared b squared times a to the 4th power c cubed. In this problem, we can only add the exponents of a's and copy b and c. Answer is a to the 6th power, b to the 2nd power, c to the 3rd power. Next is dividing algebraic expressions. When dividing expression of the same variables, just simply subtract their exponents. We have to remember also that any variable or number except 0 raised to 0 power is equal to 1. Now let's do the example. A divided by a is equal to a raised to power of 1 minus 1 is equal to a raised to 0 or 1. Okay, so next is let's do number 2. So what is your answer? If your answer is a raised to power of 3, you are correct. Next, example 3. What is your answer? If your answer is a raised to power of negative 3, then you are correct. Note that any number or variables raised to negative power can be written as 1 over the variable and its power, or 1 over x raised to the n power, where x is not equal to 0. So next is example number 4. So first here is we need to multiply them, then next is we are going to divide them. So this problem is from my previous video. So if your answer is C, then you are correct.